Welcome dear students. Today we will discuss worksheets of Unit 6 Prepositions. Page number 35, Worksheet 1. Now look at the pictures and read the sentences. First, the cherries are the bowl. B. The rats jumped the river. C. The boy is standing the bench. Now tell me, do you think the above sentences make any sense? Now compare these sentences with the following sentences. First, the cherries are in the bowl. Second, the rats jumped into the river. And third, the boy is standing on the bench. In last three sentences, in, into and on are prepositions because they shows the relation between a noun or pronoun. These words are called prepositions. Now page 36, exercise 2. A few prepositions are mentioned below and the prepositions are in, on, at, under, below, behind, over, near, into, in front of, upon, beside, between, after and before. These all are prepositions. Now in worksheet 3, look at the following pictures and note the usage of preposition. First, the puppy is in the basket and the preposition is in. Second, the puppy is sitting on the table. Preposition is on. Third, the puppy is sitting near the basket. The preposition is near. D. The puppy is behind the basket. Preposition is behind. Next, the puppy is sitting between the two baskets and the preposition is between. F. The puppy is sitting among the kittens and the preposition is among. Next, the puppy is sitting under the fan. Preposition is under. Next, the puppy is sitting under the table. Again, the preposition is under. The puppy is sleeping beside its mother and the preposition is beside. Next, the puppy is jumping over the box. Preposition is over. Next, the puppy is going into the kennel and the preposition is into. The puppy is running around the basket and the preposition is around. All the bold words mean dark letter words in the given sentences are prepositions. Now, worksheet number 4. Underline the prepositions in the following sentences. In these sentences, you have to underline all the prepositions. First sentence is, the little boy hid behind his mother and the preposition is behind. Underline it. Second, the people gathered in the stadium. Preposition in. Third, Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall and the preposition is on. Number D, don't stand near the electric pole and the preposition is near. Number E, the books were arranged on the shelf and the preposition is on. F, the books were arranged in the book rack. Preposition in. Number G, distribute the chocolates among the students and the preposition is among. Now page number 38. The sentence is, distribute the chocolates between the two brothers and the preposition is between. Next, the princess was locked inside the castle and preposition is inside. Next, July comes after June and the preposition is after. Now number K, the birds flew over the field. Preposition over. L, Rohit is sitting beside his father. Preposition is beside. Number M, the river water is flowing above the danger mark. Preposition is above. Next, the river water is flowing below the danger mark and the preposition is below. Last, the shooter aimed at the target and the preposition is at. Now do it very carefully. Today your homework is revise page 35 to 38 of lesson prepositions. Thank you and have a nice day.